So according to an exclusive leak from Ice Universe on Twitter, the standard version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to weigh 239 grams, reaching the first tier level, and it has a thickness of 5.6 millimeters when unfolded, previously revealed through renders to be 6.1 millimeters, which turns out to be not true, and when folded a thickness of 12.1 millimeters. And he showed us this prototype of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 folded, in addition to an improved resolution of both the internal and external screens. The internal screen is 7.6 inches at 7:6 ratio, and the external screen is 6.3 inches at 22:9 ratio. A ratio of 22:9 is crazy tall. For reference, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has aspect ratio of 9.5:9. He also said that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra exists, but there are no more details about it. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.